Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Monzo tips for budgeting on a low income. So let's quickly dive into it. If you are working with a low or small income and you want every pound to stretch further, Monzo gives you simple tools that makes budgeting much more easier. The biggest helper are Monzo pots, which lets you separate your money into many buckets for rent, groceries, bills, or savings. Combine that with spending categories and budgeting limit. And also, Monzo shows you exactly where your money is going to, so you don't have to drift past your monthly plan. Instant alerts also keep you updated in real time, which also clutch when every expense matters. You can also use the roundup savings to stash spare change automatically, and the Monzo allows sort out to help you split your income the moment it hits into your account, which also make it easier to focus on the essential first. Overall, Monzo makes low-income budgeting more organized, predictable, and stress-free. If this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more smart money tips, and comment which Monzo tools you would definitely like to use first. And that's it.